Established in 1989, Irmo Lock Company built its reputation for honesty and high performance on dependable service. With the support of the local community, the Caskies pursued their small piece of the American dream.
Hey, that's Mike the painter. He's the one that painted the building. Hey, Mike, looking good.
Hey, good morning, Mr. Caskey. Thank you. Hey, Guy.
Hello.
Hey.
Failure was not an option. Ski's can-do spirit and natural problem-solving skill set were put to the test early and often.
Hey, can you fix this? The wheel's stuck.
The work ethic and positive attitude that followed almost guaranteed success.
That ought to do it.
The only thing that made it better is the sense of community that makes any small business special.
Hey, Willis.
Hey, Ski, what's the joke of the day?
I just walked in the door.
Oh, man. I needed that more than the keys.
And I hope that thing works.
Thanks. Save me a trip to the hardware store.
32 years later, the business has evolved, but that same spirit is still very much alive. Guy, the second-generation owner, has expanded the company with a focus on security technology while still embracing what originally made Irmo Lock great.
Here you go, buddy. Got it all fixed for you.
The Modern Locksmith is a place where technology, tradition, and trust meet.
Hey, Drew. Glad you come by.
Man, I'm so glad I didn't have to go to the dealership.
Oh, me too. Come on inside.
The key evolves, and so do we.
That was way easier than I thought it would be.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Thanks for coming. Here's your key.
Thank you so much.
See ya. All right, man. Another satisfied customer. Give me 5.
Family has always been important to us, so we're preparing the next generation to help protect yours. Come see us at our second location, the Modern Locksmith, 538 Knox Abbott Drive, Casey, South Carolina. And remember, Irmo Lock Company is the Modern Locksmith.